So close. Oh, man. Keep trying. Just gotta hit a little harder. I bet if you look at him just the right way, he'll do it. Oh my gosh, so close. Maybe any time now you'll get him. Oh my gosh. Why won't he do it? Why won't he do it? That guy makes lots of noise, but you don't care about that one. You care about this one. It makes a better noise. Keep trying. You got it. You got it. Good job. You did it. Oh, he didn't do it again. Oh, how did it not do it that time? Ah. You're so persistent. Bless you. Oh, that did it. Good job. Good job. You got it. You want to keep